units were completed and transferred. And then 400 units were still in process. Okay, for materials.
Tapos po, sabi po, ma'am, yung material A is added at the beginning. So, ano po siya, 100% po. So,
Pareho.
4,500 po yung EUP for material A po. Tapos
And
po
then
yung,
for P,
ano po, added at the end, so parang wala pong ilalagay. Ano lang po, 4,100 po yung EUP po.
okay, so for material B, only those completed and transferred would have 100% materials. Ano? So wala pang materials yung 400 units. Conversion costs,
4,100 po yung sa completed, tapos po 30% po yung sa IP end. Kaya po 4,220 po yung EUP for conversion cost po.
okay. Cost charged to the department, average method tayo.
Ano
So
po?
we have IP beginning.
9,090 plus 67,410 po divided by
Okay,
4,500.
so isa-isahin natin ha. IP beginning, 9,090 ang cost from preceding department. And then added during this period or transferred in ay 67,410. A total of 76,500. Okay, you divide it by 4,500 units. So unit cost is
17 po.
okay, next, material A. Total cost?
4,000 plus 21,200. 25,200 po.
Okay, divided by 4,500 units.
5.6 po for material A.
Okay, and then for material B, cost is?
16,400 po.
Okay, divided by 4,100.
4 po.
And then for conversion costs, total?
17,740 po.
Parang mali.
Ay,
Hindi may 1,340 pa. Total.
Plus 17,650. Ay, 18,990 po.
Okay, divided by 4,220.
4.5 po.
4.5. Total cost?
31.1 po.
Hindi, yung total cost.
14.1 po.
Hindi. Total cost is 137,090. Ano? Total cost to be accounted for. And then the unit cost?
31.1 po.
31.10. Okay. Cost accounted for as follows. We have completed and transferred units of 4,100 times
31.1 po.
okay, total of
127,510 po.
okay, next. IPN.
Yung sa material
Ano-anong cost? Material A
400 po times 5.6 po kaya
okay.
2,240 po.
And then
Sa conversion cost po, 120 units times 4.5 po, kaya 540 po.
And then, may transferred in yan, ano, kasi galing sa kabilang department, received. So, meron na siyang cost pagdating dito sa department na to, which is?
Ano po, 6,800 po.
Okay, 400 units times 17.
Opo.
So, total cost of the in-process and?
9,580 po.
Okay, and then total cost is accounted for?
137,090 po.
Okay, so balansyado ha. How about the rest? Nakagawa ba? Okay, so doon naman tayo sa first in, first out. Pag-aralan natin so medyo naiiba ang quantity schedule kapag first in, first out ang ginamit na method. Pag-aralan muna natin yung paggawa ng quantity schedule using this method. Problem 1, page 340. Page 340, ang problem 1, may beginning inventory na 10,000 units, no? And then, started this month, 45,000 units, letter D. Total niyan ay 55,000. So, completed and transferred or transferred out, 50,000. So, wala namang information tungkol sa nawawala. The ending inventory would be 5,000 units. Total, 55,000. We have materials and conversion costs. So, pagdating sa first in, first out, the completed units of 50,000, no? Dalawang grupo ang panggagalingan yan. Una ay yung beginning inventory na 10,000 units, hiwalay ang completion noon, ano? Kasi a certain percentage na lang ng materials at conversion cost ang idadagdag para matapos siya o makumpleto. And then the balance, 50,000 minus 10,000 ay 40,000. Ang tawag doon ay started and completed. Ibig sabihin, in-start ngayong period, na kumpleto din ngayong period. And then we have ending inventory of 5,000. No? So to make the quantity schedule or to prepare the quantity schedule, ulitin ko, sa completed and transferred, colon. Dalawang grupo. Una, IP beginning, 10,000. And then started and completed, 40,000. Total, 50,000. And then add in process end, 5,000. Total, 55,000. Work done for material. So, iisa-isahin yun. Sa beginning inventory, dahil 80% complete na siya sa simula ng period, 20% na lang ang kailangan. No? So 20% times 10,000, equivalent production for materials, 2,000. Sa conversion cost naman, dahil 60% complete na siya at the start of the period, 40% na lang ang kailangan to complete the 10,000 beginning inventory. So 40% of 10,000 is 4,000. Sa started and completed, palaging 100% yun, ano, kasi completed na nga. So 100% of 40,000 for materials, 100% of 40,000 for conversion costs. Sa ending inventory, 50% complete as to materials, so that is 2,500. 40% complete as to conversion cost, so that is 2,000. So equivalent production for materials, we add 2,000 plus 40,000 plus 25, 44,500. For conversion costs, 4,000 plus 40,000 plus 2,000, 46,000. Oh. So gawin ang problem number 2. Ang problem number 2 ganun din, no? Walang given na beginning inventory. Ang given, transferred out 50,000 units, ending inventory 10,000. So how many units were accounted for? 60,000. Ano? So kung 60,000 units lahat ang accounted for at started this month ay 45,000, ibig sabihin ang nasa beginning inventory ay 15,000 units. No? So quantity schedule, completed and transferred, again, dalawang panggagalingan. Una, beginning inventory, 15,000. Started and completed, 50,000 minus 15,000, 35,000. And then ending inventory, 10,000, total, 60,000. Gawin nyo nga yung work done for materials. Work done for materials. Miss Gutierrez. Gutierrez, Jasmine, Hasmin, Jasmine. Oh, Miss Gutierrez.
Ano po, ma'am? Yung sa work done po, ano po?
Sa beginning inventory, ilang percent pa ang kailangan to complete?
40% po, ma'am.
Times 15,000 ay?
6,000 po.
Okay, for conversion costs, ilang percent pa ang kailangan to complete the beginning inventory?
Ano po, 25% po.
Okay, so 25% of 15,000 ay?
3,750 po.
Okay, next. Yung started and completed na 35,000, so palagi 100% yan, no? Both for materials and conversion costs. And then, sa ending inventory, for materials, 60% complete. So, ilan yun?
6,000 po.
And then, for conversion costs, 80% complete.
8,000.
Okay, 8,000. So, ilan lahat ang equivalent production for conversion costs? Ha? Oh, ilan? Add mo lang.
Yung 8,000 tsaka 6,000, ma'am.
Ay, ewan ko. Ilan lahat? Tatlo yung i-add mo yan, oh. Beginning inventory, started and completed, ending inventory. Oh, yan mo lahat yun. Ay, Mariano. Ilan lahat yan?
46,750 po.
Conversion cost yun. Ay, sa materials,
47,000 po.
47,000. Okay. Ay. 60, 180, conversion costs. Total cost to be accounted for. Okay. So, gawin natin yung problem number 3. Kaya lang itong problem na to, puro decimal point, no? For decimal places. Problem number 3, a company uses the first in first out method to account for its work in process inventories. The account records show the following information. So, beginning work in process inventory, total cost 360 plus 180 ay 540. Debits to work in process inventory this period. Yan yung manufacturing cost, this period. Materials, 3,714. Conversion costs, 2,258. In the beginning inventory, there are 300 units. 60% complete as to materials, 30% as to conversion costs. Started this period, 2,000. The ending inventory, 600. So, ilan ang completed and transferred?
1,400 po.
Bakit? Ay, nako. Parang ano lang din yan, ha? Parang yung... Ay, nako. Ano ba yan? Beginning inventory, may 300. Started 2,000. So, ilan lahat? Ang in process.
2,300 po. 1,700 po pala, ma'am.
2,300. Oh, 600 ang hindi natapos. So, ilan ang natapos?
1,700 po.
1,700. Okay, gawin natin ang quantity schedule, ha? So, yung completed and transferred, again, dalawang grupo. Una, yung in-process beginning, 300. Kung 1,700 lahat ang natapos, ilan yung started and completed? Ilan yung manggagaling doon sa started this period at natapos din? Ang total ay 1,700 lahat. 300 itong galing sa unang grupo, yung beginning work in process. Ilan ang manggagaling sa pangalawang grupo, yung sinimulan at natapos din?
1,000 po.
1,400 po.
1,400, no? And then we have in process and 600. So pag tinotal mo yan, 300 plus 1,400 plus 600, 2,300. Kailangan balansyado, ha? Okay, work done for materials. Doon tayo sa in-process beginning. 60% complete na yan. So, ilang percent pa ng materials ang ilalagay para makompleto?
40%.
40% po.
40% ng 300 ay?
120 po.
20. Sa conversion cost naman, 30% pa lang ang natapos sa kanya. So, ilang percent pa ang idadagdag?
percent po.
70 po.
70% of 300 ay 210. No. Pagdating sa started and completed na 1,400, palagi 100% yan ha. So 100% sa materials, 100% sa conversion costs. In processing, materials daw niya, 40% pa lang ang nailalagay. 40% ng 600 ay
240 po.
40, and then 20% ng conversion cost ang nagagawa. So 20% ng 600 ay 120. O total equivalent production for materials.
1,760 po.
And then for conversion costs,
1,730 po.
okay, 1,730. Cost charged to the department. Paano naiiba yung first in, first out sa average method? Sa beginning inventory, in process beginning, hindi na kailangang paghiwalayin ang materials at conversion costs. Isang amount na lang, no? So, IP beginning, may cost siya na 540. No? So, isang amount lang yon. Cost added to the department, o yung debits to work in process. Materials, 3,714. Conversion costs, 2,258. Ilan lahat ng total na debits sa work in process?
6,512.
Okay, 6,512. Pagdating naman sa unit cost, hindi isasama ang cost ng IP beginning, ha? Walang pakialam yan, kanya lang yan, ha? To get the unit cost, materials, yung added lang during the period, no? 3,714 divided by 1,760. O, mahaba. Ilang decimal places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gawin natin 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 2.110223. 2.110223, ha? And then, sa conversion cost, ganun din. 2,258 ang added during the period divided by 1,730. So, 1.3052023. Haba ano? 1.3052023. Ilan ngayon yung total unit cost? 2.11102273 plus 1.3052023. Ay, ang haba. 3.4154296. O, nakuha? Nakuha ba?
So,
Okay. Cost accounted for as follows. Susundan nyo palagi yung quantity schedule. No. So, sa completed and transferred, colon. Magsisimula tayo sa in-process beginning. So, completed and transferred, colon. Next line, IP beginning. Yung IP beginning, may cost last month o cost beginning of the period, kung anong gusto nyo itawag, ha? Pero mas maikli yung cost last month, 540 lang, no? Ano ang dinagdag sa IP beginning? Tignan ang quantity schedule. So, added this month, materials. 120 units times 2.11102273. No. Round to the nearest ones na lang. 2.11102273 times 120. 253. Huwag nyo nalagyan ng centavos sa 253. Ano pa ang dinagdag? conversion cost, di ba? Nasa quantity schedule sa tapat ng IP beginning. So 210 units times 1.30520023. 274. Nakuha? Nakuha ba? Tatlo yan, ha? Tatlo. Pagkatapos, we have started and completed. 1,400 times total unit cost of 3.4154296. 4,782. Magkano ngayon yung total ng cost of goods completed? Yan lahat. Total cost of goods completed. Ilan lahat? 540 plus 253 plus 1,006 plus 274 plus 4,782. Magkano lahat ang cost of goods transferred out?
5,849 po.
Okay, 5,849. Next, sa quantity schedule, yung 600 na in-process end. Ano-ano yung cost ng in-process end? Walang transferred in ha, kasi dito sa department na to nagsimula yung processing. So, dalawa lang ang cost niya. Yung materials, 240 units times 2.11102273. Round it off. So that is 506. And then conversion costs, 120 times 1.30520023, 157, round off. So magkano ang cost ng in-process end?
665.
Okay, add na. Add. Kung tatama sa 6,512. Tama na?
Tama po.
Okay, tama. Gawa tayo ng dalawa lang yung decimal places. Ha? Problem 6. Yung problem 5 kasi baka kayo malito kasi magkakapareho yung unit ko sa problem 5. Pareho ang magiging unit cost, although 5 po ang gagamitin, tsaka first in, first out, lumabas, pareho ang unit cost. Baka kayo malito, no? Problem 6 na lang, ha? Problem 6. So, sa problem 6, no. Ang beginning working process ay 15,500 units. And then 36,000 were started. So ang total niya ay 51,500. 48,000 yung completed. So sa ating completed and transferred, manggagaling sa IP beginning ay 15,500. Ilan ang manggagaling sa started and completed? Kung 48,000 lahat ang natapos.
32,500 po.
Okay, 32,500. And then we have in processing 3,500. Total 15,500 plus 32,500 plus 3,500. 51,500. No. Okay, materials. Yung daw 15,500 units had 100% of direct materials and 65% of conversion costs. So meron pa bang ilalagay na direct material doon sa 15,500 units?
Wala.
Wala na kasi 100% na. How about conversion cost? Ilang percent ang idadagdag?
35% po.
5% of 15,500 ay 5,425. Okay, next, started and completed. So, parehong 100% yan. 32,500 for both materials and conversion costs. In processing, 3,500. Ano nakalagay dyan? 100% complete as to materials. So 100% of 3,500 for materials ay 3,500. For conversion costs, 45%. So 1,575. Total equivalent production for materials, paki-add.
36,000 po.
Okay, for conversion costs.
39,500.
Okay, 39,500. Cost charged to the department, yung una nating ginawa sa average, ang total nito ay 160,950 ano. Okay, in process beginning, so pwede nang hindi paghiwalayin yan, no? 27,950. Added during the month, materials, 54,000, conversion cost, 79,000. Total cost to be accounted for, 160,950. Sa pag-compute ng unit cost, huwag isasama ang cost ng in-process beginning. No? So, yun yung kaibahan niya sa average. Sa average, pagsasamahin yung materials at pagsasamahin yung conversion cost sa in-process tsaka added during the period. Sa first in, first out, yun lang added during the month. So 54,000 divided by 36,000 units. Ilan?
1.5 po.
1.5 for conversion costs. 79,000 pesos divided by 39,500.
2 po.
So total unit cost?
3.5 po.
3.5. Okay, cost accounted for as follows. So, unahin natin ang completed and transferred column. In process beginning, meron siyang cost last month of 27,950. Ano ang idinagdag or added during the month? Tignan ang quantity schedule, conversion cost lang, di ba? So 5,425 units times 2. So that is 10,850. And then started and completed 32,500 times 3.5. Compute and then pagsamahin lahat ang tatlong costs, that would be the cost of completed units. Magkano lahat ang cost ng completed units?
152,550 po.
Okay, 152,550. In process end na 3,500 units. For materials, 3,500 ang nasa equivalent production. Multiplied by 1.5. For conversion costs, 1,575 equivalent production times 2 pesos. Magkano ngayon yung cost ng in-process and?
8,400 po.
Okay, add. Total cost is accounted for. Balansyado ba? Balansyado?
Yes po.
Okay. O sige, pag-aralan nyo muna yung ano ha. Pag-aralan nyo muna ang average costing. Mahaba pa na ang ating pag-uusapan. Marami pa. So, yung problem 10 ay may addition of materials. So, dumami. Ang problem 12, pag-aralan nyo muna ha. Okay, so we continue on Wednesday. Okay, yan ka na ha.
Thank you po.